This is my EDC for college in September. Once again, Dad's lighter pouch, and my keys. But the new edition, one specifically for this version, is the lanyard, which currently has my bus pass in it. And 2 USBs. This USB I've had this USB for a long time. There's another USB that I've had for a while on the table over there. But this is my newest one. It was another thing from Dad's. This one's much less cluttered than the first one because, well, it's a college EDC. It doesn't have to be overly complex. I don't really need to have the lighter pouch for it, but you know, it's part of my thing now to carry it with me, so you know, keep Dad close, you know, after his passing. But you know, other than that, I just like the fucking pouch. I've had my eye on it for a while. Yeah, well, other than the fact that I was the one who bought it at Argos. That's just some scarring from when I was testing the sharpness of some of my blades. Some of my knives, it's fine, not like I was doing anything or anything. It's just hand scars, you know. They'll heal. Anyway, that's as I said, college EDC.